You can also change the part wherever you would like. Comes with the middle part, but if you are a side part gal, then feel free to change that. But yeah, she is so striking. Like, she is just so incredibly beautiful. Makes my eyes pop. Like, are you kidding me? Hello everybody. We are talking about Miss Sophia. She is literally the most stunning, like, dark brown wig I think I've ever tried. Like, her beautiful dimensions, like, so she has a darkened root, it's almost black, and then it blends into this dark chocolate. So she is 16 inches in length, so she is an adorable length, and her density is 110%. So she is actually really low in density. I actually prefer lower density wigs. It means less hair, and to be honest, it looks more natural to me. Unless you're wanting like that big luxurious hair, go for it, girl. But to me, on a daily basis, I just love something that is low density. It just makes me feel so much more confident knowing that it looks more natural, and also there's less hair to deal with. Because at this point in my life, I'm so busy, I don't need a lot of hair. Here we have our lace top. We have our lace from here to here. It is not from ear to ear. So I would advise you guys to wear this wig down or pull some hair pieces at the front to kind of blend the fact that it's not a full lace front. Lace stops right about here. Of course, we have ear tabs. So this is a glueless cap. So you can wear this without any glue or adhesive. You just throw it on and out the door you go. These clips are meant for people with hair, but if you don't have hair like me, you can easily remove it. And then at the tippity top, we have like this like velvet material. It's almost like a wig grip band material for extra comfort and security. And then here we have some cotton, which is just so comfortable and so cooling, and strips of silicone for extra grip. Here we have our machine close wefted back. So this is a lace top machine close wefted back. And then we have actually like an extra layer of security, which is this band that you can tighten and loosen as you please. I love this addition. It has made a huge difference with their wigs. And then of course we have our usual adjustment straps at the back nape. Without further ado, let's throw her on. Keep in mind that the lace has not been cut, so try and see past the lace and just see the beautiful wig. Like, are you kidding me? I love this hair color so much. I love this density. This wig is just seriously so comfortable and so lightweight. Like, you can't go wrong with this. This is just so silky smooth. The lace stops here. So if you wanted to put it up, I would just be aware of the fact that there is no lace here. So I would want you to pull out some hair like this and maybe like right here, just to kind of disguise the fact that there is no lace there. You can also change the part wherever you would like. Comes with the middle part, but if you are a side part gal, then feel free to change that. But yeah, she is so striking. Like, she is just so incredibly beautiful. Makes my eyes pop. Like, are you kidding me? This color is so gorgeous. And again, the hair quality is so wonderful. The cap is breathable because it has that kind of cooling design. Like, UniWigs keeps innovating these beautiful affordable wigs, and I'm just such a big UniWigs fan. Like, I will be a fan until the very end. They truly have my heart when it comes to wig innovation. They have just come out with so many beautiful things. Honestly, their upgraded Pure Fit grip cap is so comfortable and so cooling. Like, literally no complaints. This wig is absolutely stunning. But without further ado, go follow UniWigs on Instagram. Go check out their website. They have so much to offer. I love UniWigs. UniWigs, if you're listening, I love you guys. I'm so obsessed with Miss Sophia. Bye, guys.